In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail email signature too long error using a new method. So let's dive right in. If you've ever faced the frustration of trying to add your personalized email signature in Gmail only to be hit with the dreaded too long error, then you're in the right place. This guide is going to walk you through a simple solution that will have you up and running in no time. First things first, we need to open up Google and perform a search. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in how to fix the Gmail email signature too long error. This search query will bring up various articles and guides about the issue, and it's crucial to pick a reliable source. Once you have the search results, scroll through and look for an official or highly rated guide. Click on the link that seems to be updated and offers a new method to fix this problem. With the guide now open, it's important to read through the instructions carefully. Keep an eye out for updated methods that might not have been commonly used before. These updated solutions usually contain tweaks and tips that help bypass the length limitation in Gmail signature settings. If the method suggests breaking down your signature or compressing certain elements, take note, as this often helps reduce the perceived length of your signature. It might suggest using an image-only signature, which can be a brilliant workaround. To do this, you'll first need to create an image that contains all your signature details. This involves combining your name, job title, contact information, and perhaps even your logo into one cohesive image using graphic design software or an online tool. This image should be clear and formatted to fit nicely within the limitations of an email signature space. Once you've created your image, the next step is to upload this to your Gmail signature settings. Navigate to your Gmail account, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, and choose See All Settings. From there, go to the General tab and scroll down to the Signature section. Click on Create New if you haven't done so already. Upload your innovative image signature by clicking on the image icon in the text editor of the Signature section. Once uploaded, it's essential to test that everything appears as intended. Send a test email to yourself to ensure the image displays properly and that all information is readable. And there you have it, a fresh approach to resolving the Gmail email signature too long error. Remember, small tweaks, like converting text to images, can pave the way for seamless signature integration. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.